Sen
Gençlerin, gençlerin. İltimas oturun. Hakikat nimaligini men 2 minutda aniqlab bera olaman. Janob Murli, men otadan 5 ta savol so'ramoqchiman. Shunday savollarki, ular javob beradilar. Siz esa javoblarini bizga aytsangiz. Agar javoblar to'g'ri bo'lsa, e'tirozga asos yo'q. Sizga ishonamiz. So'rang, birinchi savol. Ota, sizning ismingiz? Mohandas. Dadangizning ismlari? Karamchand. Onangizning ismlari-chi? O'z onasining ismini bilmaydimi?
Yana boshlamasdan yotoq, ko'rdingmi qizim?
Sizga Mahatma kitobini
Shunday endi boshlayapsanmi?
Janubiy Afrikadagi ashram, ya'ni turar joyingiz qanday nomlanardi?
What's up, Baldy? What are you doing here? Gonna collect that? Yo, check this. This dude's lost it. They call him Waffle, and now he's trying to start his own hustle in our hood. Oh, nice. Should we grab a gun? Nah, the plan's simple. The guy's a newbie. No problems. Get in the ride.
Ongining haddan ziyod bir narsaga yo'naltirilgani oqibatida uning ko'ziga gandichik ko'rinyapti. Men bunday vaziyatlarni juda ko'p kuzatganman.
Yo, we playing buyers, then just follow the usual game like always. Cool. If needed, I'll improvise.
Hadi iltimas, yanıma gelin. Şu savollarning javobi shu. Shu savollarga yana ishonchim komil ular sizga javob berdi.
Yo, why you late? You think you're gonna play me? Give me the cash. Whoa. Easy. Chill, bro. Don't get worked up. The money's here. But first, show me the goods. The goods are in the car, but you ain't gonna see them. Hands on your head. Face down. You're under arrest.
Janubiy Afrikada ashramingiz qanday nomlanadi?
Tolstoy farm.